This is the WORKPRO multi-tool I bought off Amazon. This tool I've had now for a little over a year, and it's held up very well. The blade stays sharp, but one of the things I like most about this multi-tool is when you open it, you have a set of needle nose pliers here with side cutters or wire cutters inside there. But one of the best things I like about it is that you can see that it's spring activated. That, you know, so many times when you're working on things, you don't have to open the pliers to grab it. It's open and you grab it and you can work on it. Inside here we have a really nice set of scissors that I've used several times. These scissors work great. And all these little tools are a locking system in here. Also in here, put these scissors back. Also, a little screwdriver and a can opener. On that side. On this side, we have a Phillips screwdriver. And one of the cool things about this particular tool, the screwdriver has a small little Phillips screwdriver that nests right in the side of that bigger Phillips screwdriver. So you actually get two screwdrivers in one there. And again, they're locked in. You use a little lock to unlock it. And then on this side, you have to grab it here. Then on this side, you have a small little screwdriver and a small little cutting tool, hook tool. Not real sure what you would call it. You have the standard knife blade, which I said stays sharp very well. I sharpen mine and it stays sharp. On that side. On this side, you have a saw blade, and it's very sharp, serrated saw blade. Again, these are all locked into lock blade sides. On this side, you have a file. And on this side, we have another saw blade. The WORKPRO multi-tool. For the price, can't go wrong with it. I love mine. Comes in has a little pouch on the side for your belt. I carry it everywhere I go. The WORKPRO multi-tool. Thumbs up on my book.